Welcome to our class. Today we are discussing about 8th standard English character sketch in the story Too Gifted. Jim is the loving husband of Della. He is young man of 22 working hard to support his small family even though he earns only $20 a week. He never complains and tries to give his wife the best life possible. His love is sincere and deep. Jim's most valuable possession was his gold watch, handed down from his father and grandfather, but he did not hesitate to sell it just to buy the beautiful comb that would make Della happy. This shows his selflessness and true depth of love. He values Della more than any precious thing. Jim's reaction when he sees Della's short hair is not of anger but of silent shock.